guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna start by showing you the structure of coreldraw and telling you all the basics that you need to know if you wanna start learning about coreldraw and everything about it. In the videos before, I have told how you can install coreldraw, and I have also given a link to download coreldraw and install it. And I have also shown the crack, and in the video after installing, I have also told how you can block the internet connection for coreldraw so it does not create problems for you. Otherwise, it disables all the option and it's really messy. So for today's guys, let's start. I'm gonna tell you guys how you can start learning coreldraw. So the basics are right in front of you. I'm gonna tell you some basics. There are two types of softwares. One of them are vector-based software. The other one are pixel-based software. CorelDRAW is one of them, and it's the vector-based software which draws anything that comes in your mind. So let's start with the bars right here. The up above where CorelDRAW is the title bar, where you see the title of the image when you save it. This is the menu bar, which contains all the options that you're gonna need to know. This is the property bars for the menu, and here you can choose all the options like undo, redo, save, cut, paste, print, and everything like that. From here starts the CorelDRAW bars. Sorry. So this is the property bar that describes the tool that you've selected right from here. As I told you, this is the tools bar, and this bar is the property bars. When you select any tool, it shows you the properties and the qualities of the tool and what you can do with the tool. And next comes on the right side the colors bar. Here you can select all the colors you want to. So here you have opened a welcome screen right in front of you. When you open CorelDRAW, this is the screen that's gonna come up, and from that you can make a new document. You can select as many documents as you want to and open them. So I'm just gonna go and create a new document. You can use this option right here to click and create a new document, or you can simply from your keyboard select Ctrl plus N. It's gonna do the same thing. Here I'm gonna select the name of the file that I want to select. I'm gonna go with 100-second tutorials, and this is the preset. This is the settings that are optimized by CorelDRAW, but we're gonna select them manually. I'm gonna tell you all of them. So this is the size of the page that you want to keep. There are different options for you. You can choose A4, A3, C3, C4, C5, letter, web banner, full screen, photo card, and also business card, government legal. So it really depends upon what the size you want to keep, and then the settings will automatically change. If you want to keep a business card, it's gonna give you the size in inches, about 3.5 inches to 2 inches. But if you want to keep a letter card, its size will be 8.5 to 11. So the size controls the width and height. So, and you can choose the units in which you want to measure something. You can change it to anything you want. For example, if you're making a banner and the person for whom you want to make a banner says that I have the measurement in feet, so you can just go to the units and you can choose feet, and then how many feet he wants, you can just choose them. Here comes the option of portrait and landscape. I think you all will know that it changed the shape of the page. You can change all of these settings even after you create the document. These are the number of pages you want to keep. Then comes the primary color mode. I'm going to explain it right now. This is the rendering resolution. So CMYK. These are two color modes, CMYK and RGB. RGB means red, green, and blue. It's a color combination that makes all of the other colors in the file. And the other primary color mode is CMYK. It stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. The first one is RGB, red, green, blue, and the second one is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, CMYK. So if the colors with CMYK, black with black, they are a little bit darker than the RGB. RGB colors are really shocking and kids colors, you can say. Next comes the rendering resolution. So everything we want to make comes in a quality, and quality differs by the size of the file or the different things you want to keep in mind about. So rendering resolution is measured in 300 dpi. The dpi is the unit. It stands for dots per inches, and the more dots per inches you have, the better quality of image you get. For example, here are 300 dots per inches. This is the standard size that you keep for any of the pages. If you want to create a web-based page, you're gonna keep it to 72 dpi, dots per inches. The more the rendering resolution size is, the more the size of the file will be. So basic size that we keep is 300, and then we go less. For printing purposes, if you want to print something, the least rendering resolution that you want to keep is maybe 200 or 250, not less than that. Now I'm gonna click OK, and here you go. I have chose a size of 1 feet by 1 feet. I can change all of the settings from here. I can change it to the letter page. I can change it into any of the page that I want. You see, I can change it to any other of them like right now. So here you're ready to go with, now you know all the basics about CorelDRAW that you need to know. All of that of what I told you about. As I have selected no tool from here, so it is telling me the properties of the page. And whenever I select a tool, it starts to tell me the properties of the tool. So this is the purpose of toolbar. And in the next video, I'm gonna start to show you how you can start learning the tools and make your own imaginations. That's all for today, guys, and I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see the future videos about the tutorials of CorelDRAW. And after that, I'm gonna post some tutorials about extended tutorials on Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Lightroom, and Adobe After Effects and different stuff like that. And also I'm gonna post some computer tips and tricks. If you're really interested in the stuff that is related to computer, you can just subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. Thanks for watching, guys.